Taguig, the Philippines, East West Banking Corporation is a winner in the 2025 Asia Pacific Stevie Awards.
East West Banking Corporation won a Gold Stevie Award. A prominent financial institution in the Philippines, East West Banking Corporation is committed to delivering personalized banking services and innovative solutions.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Magandang gabi, lalong-lalo na sa mga kabayan namin. This is definitely a big win for us in the people group of East West Banking Corporation. Thank you so much, TVs, for recognizing East West, for making talent experience easy by leveraging technology and taking a people-centric approach. This award definitely encourages us to do better, to be better, and to take our employees, our customers, and our stakeholders further. For my countrymen in the Philippines, please do not forget to bank with us. Thank you. Maraming salamat.